Hey, what's going on, everyone? Just got out of an interesting meeting with a potential new client. And as I always do in meetings with potential new clients, I ask them what their previous experience has been with a financial advisor. And they had mentioned that they recently just fired a financial advisor because he didn't believe that the performance that he was earning was worth the fee, which is probably a fair thing for a client to feel. And so we started to dig into that a little bit deeper, and then the client started to ask me, well, what do your high growth investment strategies look like? So we talked a little bit about that. And then they started to ask me a little bit about options trading. And so we started to dive in a little bit into what options trading looks like. And after going through that, the individual mentioned, well, I don't understand any of this. And this is exactly why I need a professional to help me understand and make these decisions, which was a very interesting full circle moment that we came to in that conversation. And I think the other thing as clients, when you're talking to a financial advisor, it's not just about, what is the highest performing investment, because obviously, we want to get you the best returns possible. But a lot of times I think it's helpful to think about, and the person you're talking to as a financial advisor should guide you through this. And if they're not, you probably should look elsewhere. But really discussing what is the purpose of your money, right? Everyone's investing, but they're investing to use that money for something at a later date. And what is that? Why are you wanting to do that? And so it could be a scenario where chasing the highest return may not even be the best fit for you, but in taking on less risk may actually be a better opportunity. So just something to think about, just some thoughts after an interesting conversation. If you have anything to say, comment down below.